In this video we'll show you how to set the weather compensated curve. Samsung call this water law. This is done by pressing and holding the up and down arrow for 5 seconds until you are prompted to enter the password. The password is 0202. Once in the installer menu, go down to field setting values, then to water law. We first need to set the outside air temperature for water law. The high value is the value where the high flow temperature will be achieved. This will be dependent on the design criteria for your area. You now need to set the water outlet temperature for WL1 heat. This contains a low value and a high value. The high value matches the high outdoor temperature that we set previously. We would recommend this is set to 40 to 45 degrees for underfloor and 55 degrees for radiators. However, this may dependent on your design. "2091 external thermostat application allows you to use a third-party room thermostat with the heat pump. This should be set to use signal on-off when a third-party room thermostat is connected to terminals B20 and B22.